Hey people, so there is this Instagram profile of, like there is this motivational speaker Jay Shetty who is who's really good like at his work, and he's a motivational speaker. But his wife's profile is at Devalukia, and oh my god, she's got such awesome energy. Like once you start watching her videos on, like she's so happy on Instagram. Like I follow her there, and she's so happy and so much of joy her videos bring. So do try and follow that page. Yeah, I mean, she's a world celebrity, of course, but it just feels so nice to. I'm so happy that I discovered her profile through Jay Shetty. If not for him, I think I won't have been able to locate her profile. But it is just so sweet, and the kind of tips she gives, and also, so really, people do try and follow her Instagram page because it is so cute. So this is already a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.